Hariom students, I am Pushpanjali from CBSE English classes. Today I am going to teach you modal. Now, it is different from normal verbs. So, first of all, modals are not eat, write, say, go, buy, walk, read, write like that. Okay, actually, modals are used to express the mood or attitude of the speaker. They are of different types. Okay, now you can see here. Now, modal, what is this? But it is used with the main verb. Actually, modals are not main verb. They are used as helping verb. You can see here, modals are followed by the main verbs. You should study. So, you can see here main verb is study and it is followed by should. So, it is, which is modal here? So, modal is should. So, there are so many modals, but we don't know the uses where we have to use, which modal we have to use. Okay, so for that I will tell you many modals. Okay, see, modals are used for permission. Okay, used for ability, permission, advice, obligation, possibility, promise, intention, request, necessity, compulsion, prohibition. Okay, there are so many modals, but actually we don't know where we have to use which model. Okay, now see, ability means where we use ability, means the ability is used for your yogyata, आप कितने योग्य हैं. Okay, now permission, अनुमति, advice, सलाह, obligation, दायित्व, and possibility, संभावना. Now you can see here, so ability, where we show that which models are used to show the ability. Okay, now can, could, can and could, you can see here, are used for showing the ability. So can, could is used for showing the ability. How we will know? The idea of ability is expressed by can. This in the sense, can mean to able, how able you are, be capable you are, isn't it? Now suppose that Ravi can do 50 push-ups at a time. Now this is the capability, this is the ability of Ravi, isn't it? That he can do 50 push-ups at a time. Now Ravi could do 100 push-ups when he was in class 10th. So this incident is got discussed for the past tense. So here we have used could, and we all know that could is used as a past tense of can. So here the ability of the Ravi is proved in the present tense and past tense. Okay. Now for permission. For permission we are using here can, may and could. Okay. And we all know that may, can and could are used to suggest permission. Can is informal and may is polite. Okay. Can is used for informal, isn't it? And here may is polite and could is more polite. When you want to take the permission, then could is more polite. Suppose that you are asking, can I take your book? So it is very informal. If we are in the classroom, we are asking our teacher, may I come in sir, may I come in ma'am, like that, then we say that may is little bit polite. And may I borrow your dictionary? So little bit polite it is. And could is more polite than may. Could I open the window? So means there is more politeness. Okay. So I think you people have understood where what we have to use. Now advice. Advice means salah. So means for advice we are using so many modal auxiliaries. Okay. For giving the advice. So for that we will discuss first of all should. Should is used for giving the advice, suggestion, like that you can say. You should take bath daily. So I'm just giving advising you that you should take bath daily. You should study hard for your exam. You should follow the traffic rules. So these are the suggestions, advice I'm giving you. So that is why we are using here what? Should. Okay. You should try to reduce your weight. So here also I'm advising you. So it is should is used for advice. Now obligation means your daitva. So for obligation, which modal auxiliary is used? So there we use must. Must is used for obligation. Obligation, you can say duty also. Okay. Now for this we use must. We must work hard, isn't it? We must work hard means there is what? There is a duty that you must do that work. You must help the poor. You must study hard. You must you must help your elders, isn't it? So here what we can say, that must we are using for obligation. Now for possibility. For the possibility also there are so many modal auxiliaries are used. Now you can see here may, might, can, could. So first of all these four models are used for possibilities. Possibilities means sambhavna, isn't it? Now see, may, might, can, could, but where we have to use may, where might, and where can, where could, so that is not clear concept we are getting here. Okay, then where we have to use may suggest a good possibility, means a good possibility is there, then we will say may. My sir may come today. Okay, so it is a 90% chances that sir will come. A good possibility is there, isn't it? Now, might suggest a weak possibility, but there is a chances, but there is less chances, means 50% chances that it might be expensive. That 50% chances that it might be expensive. Now, where we have to use can. So, see here. Now, can is also for a possibility it is, but that is also a very weak possibility. Okay. Now see, for weak possibility, Rohit can come today. Now there is not a 90% chances that Rohit will come. Could is used for past tense. They could come. So there is a very weak possibility that, very weak possibility that they will come. Okay. So these are the models used for possibilities. Okay. Now come to the out to. Out to, where we use the out to models. So नैतिकता का बोध कराने के लिए. So for our moral duties, out to is used for our moral duties. We out to respect women. So this is our moral duty, that we out to respect women, isn't it? You out to take care of your old parents. So this is also our moral duty, isn't it? That we out to take care of our old parents. You aren't keeping fit. You out to go for a morning walk every day. Means here also compulsion that I'm not fit, so I have to go for the morning walk. Okay. Now the last one is would. Would is used for unreal situation, which is not real. Generally would is used for conditional sentences. Okay. And would is also used for request. For a kind request, for a polite request also would is used. Okay. But here I am showing you, I would love to visit Mumbai. So it is unreal situation, that I would love to visit Mumbai. I would like to go to Delhi. So these are the possibilities, means these are the unreal situation. I'm wishing to get that, isn't it? Now here you can say that would is used for the unreal condition, would is used for the conditional sentences, isn't it? So these are the modal auxiliaries I have taught you today. Dear children, if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the further notification. Thank you so much children for watching my video.